Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about a concept called Digital Workspace. So, what exactly is Digital Workspace? Citrix Digital Workspace solutions empower companies to securely deliver the apps and data people need to be as productive as possible, no matter where they work or which devices they use. So, these days, due to pandemic, digital transformation has happened. So many of the companies or clients are willing to work from remote locations or from home locations. So Citrix Digital Workspace solution, it helps the companies to securely deliver the apps and data to the employees, to the people, to be as productive as possible. So if they're working from home, or if they're working from some coffee shop, or if they're working from some remote location, companies should make sure that they deliver the applications and data to make the people as productive as possible while working. Okay, so let's go to the next point. When it comes to meeting the needs of your hybrid workforce, there is a lot more at stake than simply delivering apps and data. You need to deliver a digital workspace that will unlock innovation and engagement too. It is less about providing options for remote workers or distributed teams and more about ensuring employees have everything they need to do their best work day in and day out. So it is not simply about providing the applications or desktops to the users. It is a lot about security. It is a lot about giving the best experience to the end users who are working from remote locations. At the end of the day, if there is an end user who is connecting from a remote location through Citrix, if the end user is not happy, then business will not perform well. So the whole idea of all these technologies or Citrix solutions is to make the end user happy. Okay, whatever solutions we design in Citrix environment, it is all about end users or the remote people or the people who are working from any location. They have to have great experience while working, regardless of location, device or network. Regardless of location, they can be in India or they can be in America or they can be any other location. The performance has to be good on any device. They can connect from laptop or desktop or iPad or tablet or any other device. Performance needs to be really good, and any network. So user can be from connect from home network or office network or public network or any other network. Customer should get the best experience. Okay, now let's go to the next point. The only constant in today's business environment is change. Digital transformation has changed the way organizations are structured and how business is conducted. So over the last 2 years, a lot of digital transformation has happened. Most of the companies who were not willing to work remotely now, due to the changes that have happened in the last couple of years, they are willing to you know make some changes in the business through digital transformation. And the last point is, that's why Citrix Digital Workspace solutions are designed to provide the freedom and flexibility companies need to power a smarter way to work. So Citrix Digital Workspace solutions or Citrix solutions will provide the companies or the customers to work efficiently or work effectively. It will provide freedom and flexibility for all the customers or clients. So all these Citrix products are designed to make customers happy. Okay, an end user has to connect to a Citrix environment without any issues. If the end user is not happy, then there is no business. So Citrix is really helping in the market to fulfill this solution, to provide better solutions to the customers. So this is Digital Workspace. This is through Digital Workspace. All right, so I would like to give some fundamental knowledge about why we are doing this. So I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.